Yeah, we're going to be warm enough with a few areas south of I-80 approaching 60 degrees. The thunderstorms that do develop tomorrow evening around this time could be on the strong side with some gusty winds, maybe even some damaging winds. So let's walk through the timeline here. And we're dry here tonight. We're dry into tomorrow morning. But we'll play this into future mode, and you'll see showers move in as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. And then as we head into tomorrow evening, 6 p.m. to midnight, that's going to be the window for the heaviest activity to work on in. And some of these thunderstorms you see here could be coming in with wind gusts 50, maybe even 60 miles per hour. And like we saw a couple of weekends ago, south of I-80, a little bit of rotation in the atmosphere is something we'll have to keep an eye on in terms of a quick spin-up tornado. So we're really focused in on tomorrow after sunset for the best chance of some strong thunderstorms and overall best threat of heavy rainfall. But here's the good news. The tornado threat, the damaging wind threat, it's very small right now. It's just not that time of the year that we really even talk about severe weather, but we at least have to mention it. And with some heavy downpours around, a little bit of minor flash flooding is going to be possible. This is part of a system that's over the Baja of California tonight. It'll be in the Plain States as we wake up tomorrow morning. And this time tomorrow, it'll be moving into the Midwest with good action in the Doppler radar in terms of showers and even some thunderstorms. So closer in view, we'll take you hour by hour. A clear sky, temperatures in the low 40s right now. Clouds return as we head into tomorrow morning, but we're dry for the morning commute. We're even dry at lunchtime in many spots, but it'll be in the afternoon hours that we see an uptick of mainly light to moderate showers. So during the daylight hours tomorrow, nothing heavy, but tomorrow evening, here we go. Thunderstorms start to roll on in. That's future radar as we head towards 6 p.m. and the thunderstorms continue as we head towards the middle part of the evening. That's 8 o'clock. Heavy downpours, gusty winds, maybe some rotation we'll keep an eye on, and then we'll start to see this action begin to exit out of the region as we head into late Thursday night into early Friday morning. Anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch on average, but pockets of more than an inch, it's going to be possible, especially just south of Chicago into the Kankakee River Valley. This model even suggesting maybe some isolated 2-inch rainfall totals possible. So rain on the increase tomorrow noon to 5 p.m. and then 6 o'clock to midnight. That's the window for the heaviest rainfall. A few strong thunderstorms will be possible, and rainfall totals on average a ½ inch to 1 inch with isolated amounts of 2 inches of rainfall. That's part one of this very kind of crazy weather story. Part two comes this weekend. We're dry on Friday, but another system comes in with more moisture and colder air. That accumulating snow is now in the forecast for your Saturday. 1 to 2 inches of snowfall will be possible, and this system comes in with a lot of wind, especially Saturday evening. So for the Bears game, especially the second half, we could have some wind gusts at Soldier Field out of the northwest as high as 40 miles per hour. And yeah, even accumulating snow, it's going to be possible on the field, and then the temperatures start to go up a bit as we head towards the middle part of next week. Eric and Joe will send it back to you.
Thanks.